Our reflections, our decisions, our future is our new way of surveying, getting feedback and encouraging people to take part in conversations to improve their work and workplaces. What's different? Well, first and foremost, we know it's good for us and our patients when we listen, pay attention and talk to each other, reflect what could be good, what could be better, and what action are we going to take. And we get involved in the survey and making decisions afterwards. Power is where decisions are made, and if we want to be empowered, we need to be involved in making those decisions. People really matter. Where people are supported, our colleagues feel safe, supported to get involved in conversations, patient care is better. So the 2020 story, it's a simpler, easier, quicker approach to both the survey, the results, and also the next steps. It was open for 3 weeks in November, and the results were available to everyone just a few days later. And when we say everyone, that means everyone. So we invite you, get involved now if you haven't already. Make a difference. It's good for you, it's good for your patients, and it's good for the whole NHS in Wales. So now what? Well, look at the results if you haven't yet. Talk to your colleagues. See what they think. Listen to them. Ask them to listen to you. Pay attention. Decide together what you're going to do next as a team, as a group, for the people immediately around you. And where there are things you cannot solve for yourselves, then let other people know what they need to do to make your work and workplace better. To learn, you have to listen. To improve, you have to try. And we urge you in this new approach to really get involved. So 2021 and beyond, there will be more shorter, simpler surveys. Leaders and teams will soon be measured on how many people are taking part in surveys and also in follow-up conversations. And we will have better and more conversations, and that will lead to better relationships. Our future, our reflections, our decisions, our NHS. It's in our hands to make a healthier Wales.